is he off to now? Hey, I need you. Well, don't forget to plug my freezer back in, but I need you to come here real fast.
You know how much fun it is to cut the grass with an extension cord?
Well, no, because I'm not the one cutting the grass with the electric lawnmower. You know, you weren't complaining about that last night. So you have a bunch of shit in the house that needs to be dealt with.
I've been dealing with a lot of shit.
Yeah, well,
Well.
those are in my way.
Merry Christmas. Do you know what that means?
That there's a box for the cats to play in.
That there's gummy bears. Not you. Yeah.
She's ready.
So every time a Prusa comes, they include a bag of gummy bears.
Oh, I thought maybe you ordered a box of gummy bears.
But we weren't joking around, were we, when we said we were going to be printing faster?
I mean, I did think about attempting to take everything out and set it up, but we've seen I'm not a very good printer babysitter.
That is true. So yeah, another excellent carbon, and we're doing multi-material, and that's just because we can fill it up with black and red. And then that, maybe she can show it from here. So can you say big prints in one piece?
Stormtrooper helmet.
So, customers first. I know you want a Stormtrooper helmet. I mean, so do I, but. Okay, so we're gonna get these unboxed, but we're gonna give you a little short tour. We're gonna show you around, except for the printers that she keeps breaking. But you know.
I mean, they break themselves. It just happens to happen while I'm home.
I mean, you could pay attention to that.
I am busy doing other things. If you want me to sit at my desk in front of that and stare at it all day, I certainly could.
It was right there earlier.
You know, I don't even work here. Not even sometimes.
Okay, well, we've got the llama holding the fort down. And, oh, you know, we got another package too.
Wait, what do we get?
And just...
I thought it was going to be something exciting.
I know you're not... These are exciting.
I mean, they are, but
I know you're not the type to freak out about me spending money, but here, look. I didn't spend any money. I borrowed these. I borrowed these. So, look how many there is, right? And you're going to, like, what could you possibly put that in?
Your mom?
Not the cat, but pack-out drawers.
Oh, Lord, is this an episode of...
10 Spot Tools, hold on. 10 Spot Tools sent us some goodies, and we're going to give you guys a quick preview of it. But let's get these printers unboxed, and we'll show you what we got. And let's get these wrenches and the inserts. There's inserts, and there's something on our website that's different. So it's all going to make sense here in a second. So we're going to get everything unboxed, and then we'll show you everything. What you doing? What you doing? Hello.
Okay.
Hey, guess what? It's Friday.
Is it? Well, we did close our eyes for 3 hours, so I guess that technically means a new day started.
It's the Friday video.
Only on a Saturday.
On a Saturday. Alexa, pause. We don't want to get copyright strike. So what are you doing?
Bulk batching misting kits.
What misting? What is all over it besides it fits it sits? What in the how many?
I got 9.
What?
But I have like 24 more to go. Oh, and then you have a printer with a bunch of other stuff that we need to
What's
do.
all of that? All right. Well, you know, clearly we like to do stuff out of order, and this is our little fun intro. Like she said,
Spicy life.
it's Friday, but on a Saturday. We've been busy. We're going to show you some clips of why we're busy. Like that big box. We've got some other boxes we want to show you. And we want your opinion. And like in some of the clips you're going to see, printers are running. So let's get going. Just realized, you know, I have the rooster.
I mean, it is.
Right?
It is a Friday video on a Saturday. So
Oh.
let's make this YouTube.
What was it?
appropriate.
Oh, we don't want to get demonetized.
Correct.
Ask me about my PACKOUT. I love it. Wait.
I think that's a shirt we need to make.
Comment below if you guys want to ask me about my PACKOUT shirt. I love that idea. Okay. It's me, JakeOfALL. Here we are. You saw us carrying in the printer. Printer's in work. You know what? Who moves? And then once the box is out of the vehicle, it's like, okay, we're here. We're done. I mean, we're not done, but this is where we're at. Because
I've accepted this into reality. This is my house now.
she's accepted it into reality. If you didn't know, I'm JakeOfALL, that's Jen, and we are maniacs going crazy, 3D printing, misting clips.
I'm dreaming about misting kids.
Misting clips. She honestly, it's this sick ding on my phone that causes like this little twitch. It's amazing to watch her react. But, so here's what we're doing too. M18 small fan, and we're gonna have it working on the M12, but we've got a prototype ready. Here it is, right? So I have the Vernon 3D Technologies, but what we're gonna do, it's gonna be a 2-clip. It's gonna, or 2 mister. It's gonna be 4 clips. I don't like drilling into my tools. Technically, this attaches from the back. So we're testing, and it's working great. Even with heat, it's going to use the 3M very high bond tape. Gonna have 2 mists. The kits for the big fan, which you can't see the big fan because I'm standing in front of it. These things have been awesome gangbusters. We love them, and it seems like you guys love them too.
I printed more clips when we got home at 5 a.m.
Yeah, exactly.
If I could figure out how to remotely scrape the plate from work and start them again, I would.
We do need, like,
Do you think we can install a printer at the club?
3D printers at the club.
That would be sticky and messy in the ways.
Oh, so much sticky. So yeah, we got home 5 o'clock. Tell the printers to print again. Printing orders around the clock. But we got all that new stuff. So check out the website, shop.jakeofall.com. We already have the big M18 fan, and this one will be up soon. We're gonna print on demand is back. We are printing. I paused these guys because noise in the video, but these guys are much quieter. And the cat.
Friendly reminder: if you order something from in stock and something that is print on demand, when your print on demand is finished, your whole order will ship. If you need your things sooner, message me.
Yeah, or do 2 separate orders. Print the stuff that says, because if you click the little link on the page that says items that are in stock, boom, those ones will ship right away. But we got new stuff going on, and we're gonna also offer them universal, which is basically, you'll be able to pick with clips and without. But the big fan is like $31, and the little fan is $30? 30. And the little fan will be $20. Comes with pretty much everything you see here. Just the number of nozzles changes based on the size fan. So you got a hose adapter, you got the T to hook it up. Comes in a nice little bag that is hand packed by hers truly. But yeah, we also got something else. What are we looking at, right? Okay. We've got drawers. Oh, yep, shameless plug, misting kits. Check. That was great. Check this out, okay? So, what does he call himself? Man, I can't even. I should wear my glasses.
What? You mean those things that I asked you about?
Jen, I need your help. Check this out.
Are you making fun of my binoculars? It is Royal Works Products.
Royal Works makes.
Ooh, he's got lots of cool stuff.
This is, comment below before I get into this is a latch. And if you ask what a latch is, that's that little thing, right? Goes under the PACKOUT. But I'm gonna show you 2 sizes. These are resin. So this is, he's messing around with laser etching it. I've had this on my desk. I've been making a mess out of it because we've been moving. Air tags. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna comment below what you wanna see in the next video. Because we have a couple options for you. We also are gonna be showing off these new guys. Acme Tools sent us out a selection of the new PACKOUT tumblers, bottles, thermoses, whatever you want to call them.
Are we going to see how they hold up to my Stanleys?
I mean, we know the answer to that. Got a PACKOUT base. Now you can screw this to anything. So we're just going to screw it to the hood of the Navigator. Boom. Unlike a Stanley, it'll stay in place. So there's your okay, so.
You're going to be hateful. You can sleep in the garage.
Meow. So, you know, option 1, latches, air tag. Option 2, tumblers. Option 3, let's open another drawer. And behind option number 3, can you see that? Let's move you guys. Let's bring you in. Come on, come closer. You know what? Welcome to my JakeOfALL talk. You've got drawers, and you've got these 10 spot tools. My face is not in the video. It's okay. You guys don't want to see it anyways. Look at this arrangement. I'm not going to go into crazy detail. I'm going to just show you that we have both left side and right side. And look, I have a box of more. So comment 10 spot if you want to see all these cool wrench holders. And guess what time it is? It's shameless plug time. Why? Time for lunch? I just had an egg. Okay. So 10 spot tools is on shop.jakeofall.com. You can order stuff and it ships directly from 10 spot tools. We're trying to make it easier so that you can ask me about your pack out. So we got 10 spot tools, okay? So comment below. Excuse me, I'm dying. Latches, AirTag latches, tumblers, or 10 spot tools. And that will be the next Friday video.
Not on a Saturday.
Not on a Saturday. We'll actually have it ready for you on that. And otherwise, check out the website, shop.jakeofall.com. We're gonna have are we gonna have the universal kits on?
Once we get the rest of these orders shipped, I will absolutely have time to update that, but we have to go to the post office.
We have to go to the post office. So are we gonna have, or the site's gonna only have these kits on, right? The normal ones. By Monday.
By Monday.
We'll have the universals. And then, are we pre-ordering this? Because that design's almost done.
It'll be available. Give us 3 to 5 business days to ship it.
Yes. And, you know, head over to the site. You can get it for the small M18. We're going to have the M12. We just don't, it's in the packing. We packed it. And we have filament of another color because we're going to do a fan from a different brand. A different brand, right?
What?
What are we going to do a fan for?
A nice pretty yellow one.
Pretty.
Nice pretty yellow drug.
Okay, so the camera's crooked and I don't have a mic on again.
I was gonna ask, but you're a big boy.
I'm waiting for her to say something. So I don't think we have anything else. You guys see all the cool stuff? Let's close the drawer. Let's close the video. And you guys, as Benny would say, I got 5 kids to feed, so head over to shop.jakeofall.com. But comment below. Oh, she's not keeping me on task. Last thing, your mom. Okay, so greatest comment. They understood the assignment. What was it?
Went to another man named Jake.
Wait, is that bias?
I don't think it's biased because he was freaking hilarious and he made me laugh. He made my coffee come out my nose, and that is absolutely worth spreading the love.
So, we had the Dovo laser winner, and Jen loved Jake's comment, which was, you're going to love this. You're going to love this.
Hold on, I had to do some sleuthing to figure
If you
out
haven't figured it out,
Jake fourth, by the way.
somebody has an issue with your mom jokes.
Okay, so I will tell you that I even say them to my kids, and then my kids get offended on my behalf, and they say that's not how that works, which makes it even funnier. But Jake's comment was, your mom says I lay pipe with the best of them, and this laser level is going to help me do that accurately and make sure I hit holes every time. Sounds like he's a man who knows what he's working with.
So,
happy
Jake,
lasering.
Congratulations, and the rest of you, try
Email
again.
us at connect@jakeofall.com with your contact information, please, and thank you.
Yes, connect@jakeofall.com. And we will get this shipped out. Well, not this one, but Dovo will ship it out. And thanks to you all for watching. Comment below which one you want to see. Jen's on the other side, so say hi to Jen. And Jen, also say hi.
Hasta luego.
And we will see you later. We got to go pack out. In fact, we actually just have
Post office. We have the post office out.
we have the post office out.
Crate caps are in stock.
Oh, crate caps
Later this afternoon.
are in stock. If you guys don't know what crate caps are, crate cap +1. We ordered a whole sheet or 2 or something.
We also have the finger hole and then the latch. We
Finger
don't
hole,
have
one.
any routers in stock, but if you want a router crate cap, message me at
You hear that?
connect@jakeofall.com, and once we figure out how many people want them, we'll put an order in.
If we put enough order in, the price will be cheaper, and any of us that get ahead of that,
A pre-order will be cheaper.
we'll
than
get it on the cheaper
post
price.
order.
So yes, we already have the +1s, the finger holes, and the handles in stock on the site, shop.jakeofall.com. We're gonna actually head out of here, but if you email Jen over at connect@jakeofall.com, let her know you want a router cap, we can get you in on the pretty ones, which will be a little less. So You guys have a good one. It's time for us to pack out, and we got to go to the shipping. And look, sleeping cats. If it sits, it fits. If it fits, it sits. Have a good one. I'm the JakeOfALL. That's Jen. See y'all. Bye.